Yes. What it do, cuz? It's your Cuddy, Slick, and I'm here with another cool video. Ya right, man. Okay, today we're gonna be taking a quick look and cracking open Shark Navigator self-cleaning vacuum. Now this product right here, you get on Amazon.com for $199.99. So you're looking at $200. Now on the side note, they do be having the Shark Navigator self-cleaning vacuum on sale at time, and right now you get it for $157.95. So you're looking at $158, saving you $42.04. Smell like savings. Now let's get straight into it. Yes. Now you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner. Now let's crack it open. Alright. Okay, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Happy New Year, first off, to everyone. New vacuum cleaner for the new year. Gotta keep my house so fresh and so clean. Like, yeah, that I mean. Super excited about this. I have a new member in the family, a new pet. Her name is Bella. She's 8 weeks right now. Beautiful dog. And so yeah, new vacuum cleaner, new dog. You gotta have that new supplies. You know what I mean, to keep the house clean. You know what I mean? Especially when you have pets in your home. So this right here, she get the job done real gooey. Especially with my lady, she's Filipino, she got real long hair, and she be shedding more than the dog. So I'm always catching more of her hairs and seeing her hairs than I do the dog hair. You know what I mean? But anywho, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Let me come from behind the camera. Let me go ahead and put this on the floor and change the angle and breathe right through and see what we have on the inside. Alright. Okay, hang tight. Yes. Alright, y'all, here it is on the floor. Let's crack it open and see what we have on the inside. Alright. Okay. So inside the box, we have back, you got your instruction manual guide. Show you how to operate and use. Toss that to the side. You also get your vacuum hose. Okay. Alright. Nice and clean. I'm going to pull out the wrapper in a minute. Toss that, put that to the side. You also get a brush, the suction brush. Alright, toss that to the side. Some more handles. Okay, I like this one. Toss that to the side. As well, the long nose suction cup. Alright, toss that to the side. And inside the box itself, oh wait, you get another handle. Alright, so you connect to the vacuum. As well, the vacuum cleaner itself. Oh. Well, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, that's nice. I can smell the brand new plastic. Alright. You can smell that bad boy. So fresh and so clean. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, that's nice. That's not a bad size. Easy. It's lightweight. You can actually carry up the stairs if you have some stairs to clean the stairs. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. Okay. Alright. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. Alright, hang tight. Alright, y'all. I got everything hooked up, connected, and ready to rock out. You know what I mean? Alright, let me come from behind the camera. Let's check out some of the functionality on this bad boy. What we have right here on the side where the red knob is, you got your on and off switch, off button, hardwood floors and carpet. So you got two different modes of your cleaning. You got your hook on the side to wrap up the cord. You got your lock mechanism right here. You also got another lock mechanism behind the hose right here, and that's what releases the hose if you want to hand clean. All right, stick it back in. Lock it down in place. Gooey. Now, right here on the canister compartment where you hold the trash. There's an interlock mechanism right here. You lift that up to release it. All right, to empty it, keep it clean. And when you're ready to put it back on, just snap it back on. Down here at the bottom, you got your LED light indicator. Let you know about the brushes when you cut it on, put it in use. Of course, you got your brush mode right here, which looking so nice and pretty. Look at that right there. Oh yeah. You got another vent right here that sucks in the air to help you clean as well. I like this right here. You got your vent control of your suction. So when you close it all the way, there's no air escaping. It will suck stronger. And if you want to suck a little lighter, go ahead and open it up. Oh yeah. But overall, that's what it looks like, y'all. And of course, you get your 3 connectors that you put on the vacuum cleaner to clean what you need to clean, like your couch, get the corners of the floor, cabinets, whatever you need to clean. And yeah, real boss-like. All right, y'all, with no further ado, let me go ahead and vacuum. I gotta go vacuum my living room and my studio, and let's see what it picks up. All right. All right, y'all, now here it is, the moment of truth. Let me tell y'all, now I already previously used a Shark vacuum cleaner, and let me tell y'all, man, it does an amazing job. If you're looking for a true vacuum cleaner that really suck up and really keep your house clean, dust-free, get every particle that you need to get up off the carpet or floor, this right here, you will not be disappointed. And as you can see already, let me come from behind the camera. As you can see already, I've been using it. So let me go ahead and release a, cool. So I've been using it already. So this has already been collecting, in my living room. Just my living room alone. You can see all the little dust particles and everything that was trapped in the floor. I didn't know my carpet was that dirty, but apparently it was. Man, let me tell you, this bad boy is truly amazing. I'm using it on the couch, etc. Man, it's amazing. I love it. I love it. So real quick, I want to show y'all as well. This is what, let me show y'all a little better look of the vent thing section part. This is what it looks like. Don't know if y'all can see it, but got holes right here. So when you cut it on, the air will escape out, it will suck less. But when you close it, you hear that, whoo, it really sucks, you know what I mean? And get the job done. But overall, man, this is truly amazing. Couple of features I definitely like on this bad boy, let me cut on for y'all, is one thing I truly like about this is that when you cut it on, you can cut it on, and you hear how it sounds, and put it on carpet, you hear how it sounds, that means up. That means the blades are not working, it's just sitting still, all right? But when I lean it back, now it's on, and actually the light indicator on the side right here will cut on. Easy to use, easy to maneuver. I mean, it really does get the job done. Oh, look at that, I just picked up something else right there. Okay. Lightweight. Oh yeah, I'm definitely loving this. I'll tell you, it makes cleaning your house that much more easier and fun, actually. Because once I started, I couldn't stop vacuuming. So I kept going. That's how I picked up all that dirt and everything from the floor. I was like, man, I did not know that my carpet was that dirty. Oh yeah, I'm definitely loving this. And the best part for me is when it's time for me to clean the hardwood floor. Let me see if I can, let me get up over here. So if I clean the hardwood floor over here by the door, all I gotta do is switch it and then clean the hardwood floor. And then when I get back on carpet, just put it back on carpet. But overall, y'all, the vacuum cleaner is truly amazing. I'm definitely in love with it. It's truly got what I mean. And once I put it back up, as you can see how going, the high pressure, that means the blade stopped working. it knows that it's sitting. And when I'm done, just cut it off.